Imagine a classroom in Nigeria. Rows of students, textbooks open, struggling with physics, a subject that has intimidated generations. But then, something different happens. The concept begins to make sense. The formulas come alive. The universe itself begins to become less mysterious. This transformation is happening because of two people, Professors Pius and Francisca Okeke, a husband and wife team of astrophysicists, astronomers, space scientists, researchers, authors, and educators at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Pius Okeke completed his PhD in 1975, the first person to do so at the UNN. He later did postdoctoral work at the University of Cambridge under the legendary Professor Martin Rees, but his journey didn't stop there. He became a senior research fellow in Japan, a visiting scientist in Germany, a visiting professor in South Africa, and a visiting scientist at Harvard. But here's what makes the story remarkable. Despite all these international accolades, Pius Okeke came home. He stayed home and he built something extraordinary. He led the Space Research Center at the University of Nigeria for many years, where he served as the head of the Department of Physics and Astronomy and Dean of the Faculty of Physical Sciences.
Because the content of physics is always the same, no matter the level. The only difference is that more mathematical techniques are employed when you come to the university level. Let us start by asking the question, what is physics? And the answer is that physics is study of physical laws governing the interactions of matter and energy in the universe. As modified by us, 8 things make up physics: matter, motion, energy, concept of field, conservation laws, waves, quanta, and electronics. This is the way we look at physics, on our own personal opinion. However, most lecturers teach physics under the headings mechanics and properties of matter, thermal physics, electromagnetism, waves, light, and modern physics.
He's published countless research articles and authored 15 books on physics and astronomy.
I told him that I have been already making moves to write an autobiography, and I have been collecting materials for the past 5 years, but I have not been able to implement it. So it was a very wonderful idea when they brought it, especially when it's going to be handled by a professional. How wonderful this book is. Very light. When I look at it, I say, are you saying that everything I did is all here?
But perhaps his greatest achievement, he has been credited with producing around 3/4 of Nigeria's astronomers. Now, that's not just education, that's his nation building. They call him the father of astronomy in Nigeria, and his biography, Braving the Stars, tells the story of a man who literally reached for the heavens while keeping his feet planted firmly in African soil.